De-escalating agitation in children with autism or expressive and receptive language difficulties. The main issue is to understand that you are in front of someone who does not understand verbal language, nor knows how to express himself properly. One of the things that you want to do when confronting somebody that's behaving aggressively or is becoming aggressive is to approach them calmly. Make sure your face looks calm without provoking or increasing distress. Ensure your facial expression and body language are non-threatening and inviting. Gently make your presence known. Don't barge in. Create a safe space. Check surroundings for objects that can harm. Try to clear people around calmly. Point or guide towards a quiet or familiar space. Use simple visuals, like a chair or a cushion, to indicate where they can sit. Validate their feelings with gestures. Use facial expressions like a frown or a concerned look to show you recognize their upset. People with autism respond better with visual communication strategies. So here you have a website that's called adayinourshoes.com, and basically they have a lot of visual tools that you can use with people with autism or people who have communication difficulties as the ones that we've been talking about. You can also use a sensory toy versus a book, or a calming jar versus headphones. If the child uses a visual schedule or picture exchange system, point to the relevant card, like calm or break. Demonstrate taking deep breaths by inhaling and exhaling exaggeratedly. Or show how to use the sensory toy. Offer reassurance through physical comfort. With permission, and when it's appropriate, offer a gentle pat, a hug, or hand holding. Offer a familiar or favorite object or toy to the child, redirecting their attention. Use clear visual boundaries. For instance, if you want them to sit, point to the chair and then to them. If they need not to touch something, show a stop hand gesture. Praise positive behavior non-verbally. Give a thumbs up, clapping, or a big smile when the child starts to calm or follows a directive. After the situation is over, consider discussing with the care team or parents about incorporating more visuals, social stories, or other tools to help the child understand and manage their emotions. Visual strategies and mementos can be especially beneficial for children with autism, particularly in unfamiliar or overstimulating environments. These strategies can provide a concrete and consistent point of reference, aiding understanding and offering reassurance. Here are some elaborations on how to use them. Visual schedules. Visual schedules use symbols, pictures, or photographs to represent different parts of the child's day or a sequence of events. Anticipation. Before visiting the new environment, provide the child with a visual schedule or what to expect. For instance, if visiting a doctor, the schedule might show waiting, seeing the doctor, getting a sticker, and then going home. Guidance. When in the unfamiliar setting, frequently refer to the schedule, allowing the child to see what's coming next. This can reduce anxiety around the unknown. Communication boards or cards. These boards or cards have a variety of symbols representing needs, feelings, or desires. Empowerment. Allow the child to use the board or cards to communicate their needs or feelings when they can't do so verbally. For example, they can point to a too loud symbol or a need break symbol. Comfort items or mementos. Items from home or familiar environments can offer immense comfort. Consistency. Allow the child to bring a favorite toy, blanket, or item with them, especially when they're visiting an unfamiliar environment. This familiar item can act as a bridge between the known and unknown, providing tactile or sensory comfort. Transitional objects. These are items that help a child transition from one environment to another. For example, a small photo album with pictures of family, their room, or favorite things can remind them of home. Sensory tools. Many children with autism have sensory sensitivities. Tools like noise-canceling headphones, sunglasses, or fidget toys can be useful. When employing these visual strategies, it's vital to introduce them in familiar settings first so the child recognizes them as consistent and trustworthy tools. Over time, they can serve as bridges of understanding, comfort, and communication in unfamiliar places. Hey, I hope you like our video. Please join our channel, like our videos, and if you have any question, post them up.